Hello students, welcome back to our channel Club Way Education Point. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 more questions of the chapter India's Size and Location. This is the third video of this particular chapter. Students, this chapter is going to be a 4-video series in which we will discuss 5 questions in every video so that at the end of the series you will be available with complete assignment of 25 questions. So students, before moving on to today's video, I would like to give you a quick recap. In the last video, we discussed 5 important questions of the chapter India Size and Location from class 9th CBSE based geography. Also, let me tell you that till now we have discussed 10 questions through last 2 videos. If you have not seen those videos, click on the I button to watch it now. These questions, as I have mentioned earlier, are really important considering your upcoming exams. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first question we have is: India is the 7th largest country of the world. India's total area accounts for about %, of the total geographical area of the world. Students, in this question, we have given 4 options, out of which option 4, 2.4 is the correct answer to the question. That is, India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Let us gather more information about this. The total area of India is around 3.28 million square kilometers. This implies that the total area of India accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Therefore, option 4, 2.4% is the correct answer to the question. Moving on to the second question. India is a vast country. India has a land boundary of about kilometer. Students, in this question, again we have given 4 options. These are 15,000 km, 15,200 km, 15,400 km and 1,52,000 km. The correct answer to the question is option 2, 15,200 km. That is, India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers. Let us learn some more information about this. India is the 7th largest country in the world with a total area of 32,87,263 square kilometers. India measures 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. It has a land frontier of 15,200 kilometers. Therefore, option 2 is the correct answer to the question. Further, the third question we have to deal with is: India, a union of states, is a sovereign, secular, democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government. How many states does India have? Students, in this question we have given 4 options, out of which option 3, 29 is the correct answer to the question. Let us gather more information about this. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Each state and union territory of India has an administrative, legislative and judicial capital. Therefore, option 3, 29 is the correct answer. Students, the point to be noted here is that the number of states in India recently changed. The current number of states in India are 30. These changes were made in the year 2019 in the month of October. Therefore, 30 is actually the correct answer to the question. However, according to your syllabus, you have to write 29 instead of 30. Now, the fourth question that we have to take a look at is: India has a few neighbors across the sea as well. Which island countries are India's neighbors in the south? Students, in this question, again we have given 4 options, or we can say 4 pairs. These are Sri Lanka and Bhutan, Sri Lanka and Maldives, Pakistan and Afghanistan, China and Maldives. Out of these 4 options, option 2, Sri Lanka and Maldives is the correct answer to the question. This is because Sri Lanka from southeast and Maldives from southwest are 2 countries with water borders to India. Therefore, Sri Lanka and Maldives are called as the neighbors across the sea to India. And option 2 is the correct answer to the question. Now the fifth and the final question we are going to deal with is: longitude is the measurement east or west of the prime meridian, which is the easternmost longitude of India. Students, in this question again we have given 4 options, out of which option 1, 97 degree 25 minutes east is the correct answer. Let us gather more information about this. India is a northeastern country which lies in 8.4 degree north to 37.6 degree north latitude and 68.7 degree east to 97.25 degree east longitude. So as per our question, easternmost longitude of India is 97.25 degree east, which lies in Arunachal Pradesh. Therefore, option 1 is the correct answer to the question. So students, now that we have gone through all 5 questions, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, comment down below your valuable thoughts and ideas. Do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates. I will be back tomorrow with another video containing more questions and their simplified answers. Till then, thank you.